I'm in Lexus, and this is the way that, like, direction the the shooting moved. Bigger raptor. Zelote.
Well, this worked out well.
Yeah, heaps well.
Oh, I just went back into factory and I'm right where I need to be to get this mission finished.
Oh, sweet.
So
The
that's-
repair?
Yeah. There's a dude moving up on me too. Got him.
Nice.
Fucking bolty, right? Poor bastard.
No, he's trying to do his fucking 25-meter multi-kills.
Probably.
It's a shit mission. I never do it. Because it's one of Jaeger's and it's not mandatory. You don't need it.
See if I can get out now. I think he may have been doing the same mission as me as well. I think that why he didn't push me so quickly.
Oh, I got you. He's heading, yeah, the same way.
My phone's going off, fucking thing. Let's see if I can drop another PMC.
I think I just found a cheeky spot. Lay inside the med area and look down the left-hand side of the car. Prone out and look down the left-hand side of the car out through the Lexus doors.
Fucking phone, just shut up, bro. I'm dying here. There's two of them.
Oh, fuck.
Got one. I think I got them both. No. Yeah, I did get him. Damn phone's still going. You know what this guy was doing?
What?
He had an MP7. I did get him both.
Nice, bro. Fucking pumping the PMC kills, bro.
Oh yeah. I just I opened the exfil door, stood behind the blue box, and waited for him to come out the doors. They both ran out the mid door and fucking ran down the metal stairs. I ripped the one dude on the metal stairs, and then the other dude pushed me with the MP7, and I killed him at the door.
Yeah, fucking A.
I'm gonna have hay mail for that one. I'll be back.